In the idyllic town of Sprinkle Valley, where sweets are celebrated every day, the local factory had recently installed donut-making robots to meet the growing demand for desserts. Every morning, the town would awaken to the smell of freshly baked donuts, and today was no exception. However, a minor glitch in the system transformed the usual aroma into chaos. It all began when Masha, a curious and quick-thinking young girl, noticed a strange occurrence on her daily walk to visit her friend Bear. Startled townsfolk dashed past her, some stumbling over unnecessary sprinklings of chocolate and bright-colored sprinkles that were rapidly overtaking the streets. Masha's heart skipped a beat as she realized the magnitude of the malfunction. "Bear, Bear!" she shouted, bursting into his cave. "Something's gone wrong at the factory. The robots are dumping sprinkles and chocolate everywhere." Bear, a wise and clever creature, paused his honey treat, realizing the dire situation. "We need to reboot the sugar controller before the town turns into a dessert jungle," he declared, grabbing his toolkit and rushing alongside Masha. With sprinkles falling like rain and chocolate pooling into sweet streams threatening to flood homes, Masha and Bear reached the factory gates. Inside, the donut-making robots danced around, quite literally in circles, spewing their sugary overload. Masha pointed to the sugar controller, now engulfed in a mountain of sprinkles. "That's our target, Bear. It manages all the factory's machines." Bear nodded, quickly assessing the scene. "I'll distract the donut robots. You get in there and hit the reset button." Masha, small but spry, zigzagged between the robotic movements, dodging chocolate streams and sprinkle showers. Her heart raced as she climbed the sprinkle mountain, finally reaching the covered controller. The robots seemed to sense her mission, increasing their chaotic production. As Bear led them away with playful gestures and a loud, commanding roar, Masha's fingers brushed the reset button. With a hopeful press and a soft click, the robots ceased their erratic dance, slowing to a peaceful halt. The colorful downfall halted, leaving Sprinkle Valley in a sweet calm. Relieved townsfolk cheered as Masha and Bear emerged from the sugary dilemma, victorious.